Una dey understand me? Because of a wife for Naija, in the fear. Whether me tell the one way they here, say me go remove him. Hello. It's a one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My old bonge people, today topic na about one man. The man say he need advice. He need more give him advice. He want really go about this his wife situation where in this so. He say his wife, mona listen no, mona know how now to give him advice. He say he don't marry this woman for years now. The woman dey Nigeria. I never travel ever since go see the woman. He never travel for a long time and now go see the woman. So, but in the date one girl for a year. In the date one girl for a year. But he not take the girl serious because of his wife. And of recent now, mona listen no. Of recent now, the girl wey in the date for a year come tell her now say he get belle for her. In the fear his wife for Naija say he no want tell the girl make he born the pikin. He want tell the girl make the girl go remove her. Now they understand me because of his wife for Naija. In the fear. Whether me tell the one way they here say me go remove him, he no know. Then he now can't go Nigeria. Of recent go see his wife. As he reached there, he come meet a friend shoe for his wife for their house for Naija. Now he come they ask his wife, how a friend shoe take come your house? Because you see man shoe, he ask him, be say na a friend a shoe. How a friend should take come here? His wife no fit explain. So in the suspect his wife now say his wife dey jogodo his friend ever since I been waiting. Because now he get girlfriend for here when he want leave because of his wife. But now they gonna get two mind now say this his wife now not be in the jogodo with his friend. Because what his friend slippers can't do for their house. So that will be the question. So, but the wife not will give good answer ever since. Not be only shoe see you even see singlet journal. So, a wife now no one talk truth. It like they deny, say nothing, all those things. But the man they suspect him. The man they suspect and say this woman they jogodo another man since. So what we una raising my people? When I feel say that woman the jogodo that is friend. Because he now say so that me whether me you focus on the one way they here. Because this one now don't get belle for her. Whether me focus on the girl where they here. And waiting in the reason now. So how una reason this matter, my people? How una reason now? Make him forget that one where they Naija. Or make him focus because that one where they Naija don't born for him before. So the one way they here now get belle. But I mean you focus on the one way they here. Now waiting in the ass now. Instead the thing in they confused. Like you don't know how you want go about them. Because all those women for Naija, you don't feel trust them more. Because you don't feel live with for many years. It take by the grace of God for a God-fearing woman to stay the way for you. It just take by the grace of God though. Una when they live man for Naija. Just to say the woman go just stay like that without the jogo do another man. This say easy. It's not easy, oh. Some women not they feel stay. So they jogo do like serious. They do am steady. They do am. They do vaga anything with anything. Because this man now they suspect his wife now. He now they suspect his wife. What will not reason? Make him go ahead. They marry that one with the Naija or make you focus on the one with the here. Now waiting in the reason now. Because I said the way the woman they do, so kind of call where the woman they receive for Naija there. He not trust the woman again. He not trust the woman again. So in they suspect the woman now, like seriously. In they suspect her now say this woman the jogodo another man. So what do you not think? Una think say this man not the real, this woman not the real jogo do another man. How una raising the matter? For me, oh, the way the man take talk, I dey suspect that woman say the jogo do another man. Because after 5 years, when he leave him, like take go Nigeria, so after 5 years, you know. So I dey suspect foul play. That woman they do so kind kukukere waka. And they understand so kind kukukere waka she dey do am. All those women don't they trust them. Some of them don't they trust them for Nigeria. I know say some they stay even 10 years safe. This one they stay, but hey, my dear brother, my own advice, me and I know I dey suspect the woman, but I don't know how now opinion go be for this matter. How now reason am. Wanna leave on a comment for the comment section, because me, I dey suspect that woman. I dey suspect her. So the advice where the man need not be say, whether may focus on the one way they here, because this one don't get belay for her. Whether may you forget that one way they Nigeria, focus on the one way they here, and waiting in the reason now. How una reason now? How una look am? Make it go ahead. They marry the one way they Nigeria, or make it focus on the one way they here. Now waiting in the think now, because all those women, I trust him. You can't trust some of them. You can't trust them. Now here, now man marry woman. The for Nigeria, he come here finish. The woman they bring the ex guy for go ask for Nigeria. Then they jogo do they enjoy itself as they like. When the man even know, you tell the man say, what do you be expect? You just say you marry people for a year. Then you will just do Europe there. They enjoy yourself. You know they possible. They can't ask the man. You know the jogo do for Europe where you did. Now what did she ask the man? Now what did she ask the man? The man not say answer give her. So for me, that woman the jogodo, that woman the jogodo like steady the jogodo. Now he make she don't want tell the man the truth. That woman the jogodo. You understand? So that the way me tell reason am but me no know na own opinion. So this man saying go they read all the comments, make him know whether make him really go ahead. They marry the one with the Nigeria, or me focus on the one with the here. So I will not reason the matter. Anyhow, na reason now. I bet for the year and the other those their dog. Now my neighbor with the here. Now their dog and they make noise like that. So anyhow, na reason the matter, my people. Wanna let me know. I wanna reason that whether may go ahead to marry the one with the Nigeria or may focus on the one with the Europe. Wanna let me know. Thank you, everybody. Take care, and they go really need an opinion for this matter. I know say sometimes 2 head is better than 1. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Bye, everybody. Bye. Share my video. Always put thumbs up for me. Not only watch, please share my video. Share so that others will learn from me too. Thank you and bye.